Hello learner, welcome to English Institute. Today I am gonna share basic versus advanced sentences, and here is the sentences. The first one is I'm happy, and the advanced version is I'm ecstatic. The second one is I understand, and the advanced version is I comprehend. Third one is I'm worried, I am anxious. Fourth one is that's interesting. Advanced version is that's captivating. Next one is it's boring, and the advanced one is it's tedious. Next is it's cool, and the advanced one is it's impressive. I am relaxed, I am serene. Next is she's stupid, she's obtuse. Next one is he is crazy, he is unhinged. Next is I'm disappointed, and the advanced one is I'm devastated. Next is I don't care, I'm indifferent. Next one is I'm scared, and the advanced version is I'm terrified. Next is I'm excited, and the advanced version is I'm exhilarated. Next is it's unimportant, and the advanced one is it's insignificant. Next is I'm sorry, and the advanced one is I apologize. So dear, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and please watch the video till the end. Bye bye. Thank you.